Hello, good morning. It's been a little while, but there's going to be 2 videos this week, so we're going to make up for it. So this is the 11th of October, Wednesday, and follow me on my day. We'll see you throughout the day. Adios. So our new released high street contains a water fountain, and the dogs have never seen them, so let's see what happens. Come in. They don't like them. What is it? Come on in. Ooh, I wonder what's going on here. Wait. We've come to trade in Sheila's car, but I've also come to have a quick look round. But look at this car. It's pretty awesome, look at it. Pretty cool. Oh, it's only £68,000. Go. Watch her fly. I quite like the colour of this car, it's quite cool. Right, so this is our new house behind me, and this is our big garden. Goes much further. This little blue shed here is going to be my studio once we clean it all out. So it's a big mess right now, so don't expect too much, but it's going to be like where I record some more like sit downy likey videos. But hey, so once this is all cleared out, then we'll be using this as a studio. I need to fix the roof, but yeah, it'll be good. I can stand up here. It'll be good. So I've forgotten outro like always, but don't forget to like, subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.